Gale Virtual Reference Library is a good resource to begin your research project with. It is a database of reference sources, and there are a few different ways that you can use this database. One is you can browse the collection over here, and if we click on Environment, we see several different sources here on the environment. And we have, let's say we want to look at pollution A to Z. And right here we can see the table of contents, and I can go directly to a topic of my choice. So let's go to Cleanup Environment, and we have all these topics to choose from. And I can click directly on one of those. So let's look at natural disasters, and we see what we have here. Another way is to go back to the home page, and we can conduct a basic search. So let's look for pollution. And we see here we have over 13,000 references. So we can narrow it down by looking at document type or content level, or we could do an advanced search. And we look at that, and we can do pollution. And how about water quality? And now we have narrowed our results down to 176. If we find a reference that we like here, Clean Water Act, we go there and we can view the ebook, or we could just look at this article on its own. Scroll down to the very end, and here is your citation, if this is indeed the reference you want to use. You could also, if MLA doesn't work for you, you can click on Citation Tools, and you also have the option for APA and Chicago. So if I want to use APA, and I can directly export that to one of these citation managers or to Google Drive. And it has been sent to Google Drive. I can close out of that, and I can send the whole entire article, if I'd like, to Google Drive. All you have to do is be signed into Google, and it will go there for you. If you would like, you can also listen to it. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to use the Gale Virtual Reference Library.